Hey guys, Nikki from Lego Climber, and today we've got a little Lego sets that I made my own. But first, we're going to look at some. Oh, this is very heavy. To some books. The first one. So I'm from Bulgaria, and I have two books that are Bulgarian. I don't think you understand them. But the first one is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. The second one, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. The third one, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. This one is in English. The next one is the first year of Rowan of Arches in Jedi Academy. So this are my creations of Legos, but we'll get to them in a bit. Rowan's next year, Jedi Academy Return of the Padawan. His last year, Jedi Academy and the Phantom Bully. Jedi Academy, the Phantom Bully. This isn't a book. It's about making your own journal. It's called Jedi Academy Attack of the Journal. Now, if you watched all the episodes of Star Wars, you know it's Attack of the Clones, but in this one, it's Attack of the Journal. Okay, now I'm gonna get to this the Big Daddy. I call it the Mega Bounty. Now, this was supposed to be the Destiny's Bounty. I like to say it the graded Destiny's Bounty. But now I made it some upgrades. I really never made the Destiny's Bounty, but I made it some upgrades. And now I call it the Mega Bounty. And this is supposed to be like a little boat and a ship, but I call it the Destiny's Ship. Okay, that was all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.